Hello! I just came back from my workout and as you can see I'm a total mess, but I'm gonna take a quick shower and then I'm gonna show you my hair routine to change this into this. Okay, rule number 1, always start your day with a good music. So good! I just got out of the shower and I look quite funny. And the first thing that I do, I have 2 different sprays that I use. This one is the Straight and Smooth spray by GHD and I use it for my sleek look. But since we create my natural wave look, I'm just gonna use the heat protection. Heat protection is the most important thing for your hair. Listen to me, kids. Heat protection and a good product is the most important to keep your hair healthy and strong. Shake it. It smells heavenly. And in my opinion, GHD is really the best one that you get for the price. I think the price value is the best on the market. You know the smell when you just get back from the hairdresser? The best smell in the world. That's what it smells like. I'm gonna leave it in for a little bit. And I like to have my hair air dry. So I'm gonna wait a little bit, then get back to you. Since we are a bit in a rush, because this girl is hungry, I am going to blow dry my hair and then we're gonna do the magic. Hi. I always recommend to not use the brush until your hair is almost dry, because the wetter it is, the more the brush will damage it. Mine is almost dry, so I can finally use this. I look a bit like a crazy person, but it's a good thing. Because, you know, 2 years ago, I literally had half as much hair as I have now. So I stopped bleaching it. I used to have really blonde hair. Actually, natural hair color is much prettier than you would think. And now I have blonde highlights in the front and some in between. Also, I changed my products. Years ago, when I was broke and a student, I didn't have much money to afford something like the GHD that I'm using now. So what I did was buying literally the cheapest hair straightener and they damaged my hair like crazy. Now that I know, it's really worth the investment because first, they hold longer, so you can literally use them for years and they don't damage your hair. And right now I'm using this one. Did it focus? I had another GHD straightener before and I love my old one so much. So when GHD asked for a partnership, we have this new straightener, we want to send it to you. First I was very happy because I used GHD by nature, if that's how you say it. But then I said, listen, it's really cool and nice, but I love my old one so much, I don't even want a new one. So even though I had this one, I kept using my old one and then one day I was like, okay, let's gonna try this. And it's insane. And I know this is a collaboration, but I swear to you, and you have my word, I never promote products I'm not 100% behind, and this one is a game changer. It gets hot so easily. There it is. So you don't have to wait for a long time. And what's the coolest part? Usually you can change the temperature. And of course you pick the highest one because that's when the results are the strongest. But that's also what damages your hair the most. And with this one, it's a smart stylus. So what it does, it recognizes the way you style your hair and automatically adjusts the temperature. Mind blowing, and I swear it works. I'm gonna show you how I'm styling my hair. I'm a big fan of heat protectors, so I'm gonna use some more. Or maybe I'm a big fan of the smell. Guys, it's really important to use heat protector always. So my first step, I'm curling my hair with the straightener for the reason that it makes the most natural kind of waves. If there's one thing that I don't like that I personally used to have a lot is, you know, these perfect, like the perfect curly hairstyle. I used to be like that and that just not very natural looking, you know? So you want to create, in my personal taste, the most natural wavy style. And I'm gonna show you the natural beachy-ish kind of look. I like it a bit messy, and I'm gonna show you now. I always start with the front parts. So what I do, I take the curler, straightener, sorry. I'm gonna do this in that direction. My English is very limited today, I'm sorry. But you have to watch, because some people like to do it to the outer side and I like to do it inwards. But it depends on your kind of hair and your kind of style. Watch this. Voila. Here you see the front part, which in my opinion is the most important part. And what I just did here, you just keep doing over your hair. And what's important, do it randomly. That's my #1 rule. Don't make one by one and in a perfect way. No, we want natural. So you just grab another piece of hair, wherever it is, and then you do the same. Obviously I have short hair, so I don't want it to be too curly, because otherwise my hair would be up here. So here I keep it more down. That's why I don't curl it as much, but you can vary your curl strength by, you know, twisting the hair straightener. So in the back, I just do it like that. I have only done like a few curls, but you can already see the direction it goes to. And you know, I have a bottom and an upper part, and when I straighten my hair I split it up. But for curls I recommend to literally do it randomly, so it turns out as natural as possible. And you know what's great? It really works with every kind of hair, like with long hair, with thick hair, with literally any kind. I think it requires some practice at first. Well, I remember when I started styling my hair, I was like, that looks so exhausting, I don't have time for that. And in the beginning you're very slow. Keep doing it and it will be so easy. Right now I literally need 5 minutes for this hairstyle. Now I'm explaining, so it takes me a little longer, but this is such a quick and easy hairstyle. When I finish the base, by base I mean that I literally curl like a few parts. It doesn't have to be perfect. What I do now, and that's the twist of everything, I take a few small parts. I'm taking the small part from the upper hair. I twist it quite a lot. And voila. And then you get this, which looks weird right now. But if you keep doing this all over your head, you get extra volume and an even more natural look. Look, cute, no? And then you can take some parts from the bottom and do the same. You see where I'm getting here. Just be random, because look, this is what it looks right now, and I think it's such a beautiful, beachy, natural look. And now I'm gonna do the other side. The thicker your hair is, the flatter your hair pieces have to be, obviously, so the heat reaches each part of your hair. Even with my long hair, it took me never more than like 7 minutes to do this. Depending on your hair structure, you might want to overdo your curls a bit in the beginning, like I did a bit here, as it will flatten out over time. So what I do now, I'm gonna put my head like this, shake it a bit. Voila! I created my hairstyle in literally 5 minutes. The stronger you want your curls to be, the slower you have to go, so it can take in all the heat. Effortless. You want to have a hairstyle that looks effortless. If you need, you can use some more product to fix it. Like I said, it always depends on your hair structure. Mine is pretty strong because it's so healthy. So I don't really need to fix it with hairspray. The good news is it's about to be Christmas. So GHD has special offerings like gift sets. So check the link in my info box and you can see what to get, what I use. And And you know what I also like, and that's why I also say that the front parts are so important. When you put your hair back, you have these pretty curls. So, I hope you liked the video, and I hope I explained everything easily. I'm a big fan of easy and quick, because we're all busy. I hope it will work for you. Let me know how you like it. Mwah! Love you! I'm so awkward, I'm sorry, but you need to make like a cool composition of these looks, you know.